Hello, dear. Meeta here, your storyteller. Today's story Blind Faith. For listening this story, you have to come with me in a small village where all people lived happily. Now, here is our story Blind. Once upon a time, there was a small village by the river. Everyone lived happily there in that village. Near the river, there was a small temple. In that evening, everyone would go there and pray to God together. But once during the monsoon, it rained heavily. The river started overflowing and flood water entered the village. Everyone started to evacuate. They just take their all the valuable things and set out to go to the safer place. But one man suddenly ran to the temple. He quickly went to the priest's room and asked him, "The flood water has entered into our home and it is rising very quickly. And the water has also started coming into the temple. You must leave the place. You must leave the place. And is no time it will sink under the water. And you must come along with us. Everyone's leaving this place." But the priest told to the man, "I am not atheist like you. I will not leave the temple. I will not leave my God alone. I have faith in my God and He will come and He will save me. I will not leave the temple at all. You may go now." And at last, the man went. He left the place. And then priest started pray to God. "God, help me. You please come and help me." Soon the water started to rise and it reached to that waist height. The priest climbed on a table. After a few minutes later, a man came with a boat to rescue the priest. "Hey, priest! I was told by a villagers that you are still inside a temple. I have come here to rescue you. Priest, come into my boat." But the priest again refused, giving him the same reason. "God will come and he will help me out from here." So the boatman left the place. Water kept rising, and it reached to the ceiling. So the priest climbed to the top of the temple and he just kept praying to God to save him. Soon a helicopter came over there and they dropped a rope ladder and asking him, "Priest, hey priest, quickly climb on that ladder and just come inside the helicopter." But the priest once again refused to leave the temple and giving him same reason, "God will come and he will save me." So helicopter left that place. At last, when the temple nearly submerged under the water, and the priest started complaining, "Oh my Lord, I worshipped you all my life. I always kept faith on you. Why didn't you come and save me?" What do you think that God will come and save him? Yes, God has come and just appeared in front of him. And with a smile he said, "Oh my boy, I came here to save you 3 times. I came with a boat, came with a helicopter, and came with the man I ran to you. Where is my fault? You didn't recognize me?" And then priest immediately realized that his fault and asked for forgiveness. And you know what? Once again the helicopter came over there. "Hey priest, come here, climb the ladder." Now this time the priest didn't refuse. He just accepted. There's many opportunity all the time. It's come unknowingly, but sometimes we feel that we fail to grab it. So friend, we may not all as lucky as the priest that God will come and appear in front of us. So friend, it's better whenever we get any opportunity, we must grab it. Of course, we get another, but why should we waste time? This is the story of blind faith. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. See you next time.